Hi, so why were you guys selling with Nancy Kowalik Real Estate? Your home sold guaranteed realty.
Yes, we had chose this real estate agency. We had heard good things. We had seen the signs and thought that there was a lot of good things they had done in our area.
How did you meet your agent, Trish?
Trish was assigned to us, lucky for us, and so we met her pretty quickly after having contacted the agency, and we couldn't have been happier with her.
And would you recommend us?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
100%. 1000%.
So informative, so easy, so professional. We definitely would recommend this agency.
Perfect experience.
All right, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.